Hello everyone, welcome back to Goldman's Review. In today's video, we are going to review AI CGI-VFX Studio, a brand new software tool which helps you to create unlimited AI 3D effect cinematic videos in just a minute. What if I told you you could create a full-length 8K cinematic film with zero camera crew, no actors, and no post-production stress just by typing a prompt? This is not sci-fi. This is AI CGI-VFX Studio, and it might just be the most powerful tool we've seen in the video creation this year. In this quick review, I'll break down what it does, why it's blowing creators' mind, and whether it's worth your time and money or not. So, what is AI CGI-VFX Studio? AI CGI-VFX Studio is an AI-powered platform that lets you create full-length 8K movies, complete with Hollywood-style CGI, visual effects, soundtracks, and dialogue. All you need is a prompt that takes care of the characters, the background, the lighting, even the voice acting in over 150 languages. Think action, sci fi, romance, animation, you name it. This tool renders your story frame by frame in ultra realistic cinematic quality. There are n number of features listed down in their website, but these four key features is worth to highlight. Number one, 8K CGI movie generation, not clips, entire scenes with realistic effects made in just a minute. Number two, AI generated voice dialogue that sounds shocking human, no need to hire voice artists or assistants. Number three, real time scenes editing and preview. If you want to change the lightning or reposition or a character, you can do it on live in this particular software. And number four, and the final one, multilingual support. You can access over 150 languages, means global storytelling get unlocked. Who is it for? If you're a YouTuber, content creator, filmmaker, or marketer, this is made for you. Let's say you're launching a course, running an ad campaign, or building a story based brand. These tools let you skip the studio, skip the script writing, and jump straight into production for the function of the cost. Also, great for educators, digital storytellers, and agencies that want stunning visuals without outsourcing and heavy lifting cost. Pros and cons. Now, let's talk about pros and cons real quick. Pros, it's fast, beginner friendly, and the output quality is mind blowing. I'm talking real cinematic depth and emotion. Another one, it's an super affordable for just some $14 per module, and there are five the main CGI tools: Audio Studio, 3D Verse, Agency Access, and White Labeling rights. We'll discuss this in detail in that pricing session. Cons: if you are an advanced VFX editor, you might find customization a bit limited, and it does need strong internet to work smoothly, and there is no cloud support. If you're generating any 8K cinematic video, you need to check you're having enough space in your system or not. And still, for 95% of the user, the value is off the chart. Pricing: the basic version of AI CGI VFX Studio, it's cost you $14, and Audio Studio, it's cost you again $14, and 3D Verse cost you $15, and agency access and white labeling rights also cost you $14. For every segmentation, the same price applied. For every upgrade, you have to pay additional $14. That's the core concept over here. Ratings. For this particular software, we are giving 4 out of 5. For pricing, we are giving 4 out of 5. And easy to use applications, we are giving 4 out of 5. And overall value for me money, we are giving 4 out of 5. For the entire product and software concept, we are giving 4 out of 5. Before we jump into a final verdict, let me show some demo clips in their website. Final
In the abyss, at the dawn of time, great gods rose from ageless slumber.
Predict. So, is AI CGI VFX Studio worth it? If you want to create stunning, original, AI powered video content without touching a camera or editing timeline, then yes, 100%. This is the future of video storytelling and it's here now. If you want to test it for yourself, I added a link in the description. Go get started. And don't forget, I've got a full blog review with more details, examples, and use cases. Go check it out. And if you like this video, give a like and hit the subscribe button and comment your thoughts. I'll see you in the next video.